Hello and welcome everyone. So this is the second video in MongoDB tutorial series. So in this video, we will understand about the installation process of MongoDB and how we can use it in Python. So I'm focusing on Python here. So what do we need? So what are the checkpoints that we have to go through? So first is the Python installation. So I have explained how to install Python. The link will be popping up right now. Also, there will be a link in the description box. So to understand how to install a particular Python version using Anaconda or simply the simple Python. So make sure that you install a Python which is of 3 versions. So 3.7 or 7 or 8 I think is the latest one. So you can take any Python 3 version. That is the video will be popping up now. Apart from that, we have to install a library from Python which is known as PyMongo. तो PyMongo is basically आपको वो हेल्प करेगा कि आप पाइथन लैंग्वेज को MongoDB से कनेक्ट करके यूज कर सको. तो इफ यू ब्रॉडली सी MongoDB एक अलग एंटिटी है. आप जो पाइथन प्रोग्राम बनाते हो वो एक अलग एंटिटी है. सो टू फैसिलिटेट अ ब्रिज बिटवीन देम हम PyMongo यूज करेंगे विच विल हैव द इनबिल्ट फंक्शंस एंड वी जस्ट हैव टू यूज दोस फंक्शन. तो हमारा काम इस तरह इजी हो जाता है, easy हो जाएगा. So how to install PyMongo is very simple. If you are using Anaconda, then simply open, or if you are using Jupyter Notebooks, then you can open Anaconda prompt, or if you are using simple Python, then you can open command prompt for Windows and terminal for Linux and Mac users. So if you open it up, it will look something like this. Then write pip install PyMongo and press enter. So if you follow this up, it will automatically download your PyMongo and it will install it. So that is up to you. So after installation of PyMongo, then you have to install MongoDB. So MongoDB is the essential thing here. So MongoDB can be installed. First of all, you have to download it and then install it. So if you write MongoDB on Google, there will be a few links popping up. So you have to open mongodb.com. So this will open up its website. So here you can also read MongoDB is a source available cross-platform document-oriented database software. So in this particular website, you have to go to software and then select the community server, which is free and open document database. If you click it, and it will open up as its respective page, and then select your particular platform. Let it may be Amazon, Linux, or Debian, Mac OS, whatever your respective system is, and then it will directly, there will be a link to download it. As soon as you download it, will be around 200 MBs package, and then as soon as it is downloaded, you can double click to open and install it. So after you install it, it will automatically run in the background. So you don't have to do anything related to it. It will automatically be installed and it will be running in the background all the time. So whenever if you start or restart your PC, it will automatically running in the background. So you just have to connect your Python program to it. So that's all in the installation part.